people who who's sick because it's like, wow! And then you can get up and you're gonna go walk to the bathroom, okay? You can walk to the bathroom, alright? Wow. So we doing? You know, best dress me? You know, best dress me? And then you go to the toilet. And it's like this. And then it's like this. You get in there. Wow, that's a big kaboom. And then when you get sick, you may have to throw up. You know when you gotta throw up? You know when you gotta throw up? You don't have to throw up in the you don't have to throw up in the toilet or seat. It's like or a bucket or something. You know right? Stop. You know? You have to puke in your mouth. Then you swallow it, okay? Don't do it to the cameraman. Okay? I said don't do it to the camera.
I know.
Don't do it! Sorry, that was on me. And you see the TV? The blanket? The blanket? And then that stick! My stick! Hey, I'm okay. Okay. So here's the basics. When you throw up, you only throw up your mouth. And then you swallow it. And then you get even sicker. But it better be
Hunter.
What?
You stop talking like this, it's getting annoying.
Hey, sorry. You guys what they're doing. Okay. Yeah, I'm like that. You don't like me talking like this. Okay? But the video must go on. Okay. So as I was saying, when your syrup looks like this, you don't pick it up. You just leave it there. Then you let the room that you're in, you make it smell. Okay? Okay? And then when your walls are like this, after you hit it with your fist, you just leave it there. You don't call somebody to fix it. You don't do anything else. And then when you drop it on the floor, like from China or something, you just leave it there. You don't throw it away. You don't do anything else. And then when you paint right there from a daddy or from your mommy or something, or from your daddy, you don't throw it away. I mean, you don't put it in the laundry. You just leave it there. You gotta make your room a complete mess. Hey, I said coming. Okay, as I say, okay. You just gotta make your room smell like turds. So it's like you eat a turd and then you're done. Okay? And that was the end. Okay.